Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to integrate and show material design icons, SVG icons right inside your Vue 3 application. So we are having these icons. If you see, it's material design SVG scalable vector graphic icons, and there is a certain package in Vue 3 which you can use. The name of the package is Vue material design icons. So if you just go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, which is Vue material design icons. This is actually the name of the package, and it's specifically designed for Vue 3. The command is very simple. I have already installed it, so this is actually the command, and it's having almost 17,000 weekly downloads. So now to use this, just inside your app.vue file, we will first of all, inside of a template, we will have a div, and I will just give it an ID here of app, and inside this we will have an h1 tag with just saying vue material design icons example. So we can directly now use the vue material icons. But before that, inside our TypeScript code, we just need to import one by one the icons using the import statement. So we just write import followed by the name of the icon, menu icon, which will be coming from this package vue material design icons slash menu dot view. In the similar way, we again need to Android icon, one such another icon, vue material design icons and slash Android view. So we are one by one importing the icons name from this package, and after importing it we just need to export this to the Vue.js component. So we just write export default, and then we export the name of the component, which is app, put a comma, and then we export the components that we need to have one by one. So we'll say menu icon, then we import the Android icon. So we are importing it and then exporting it. So now we can directly use it inside the HTML. So just we write the component menu icon, and then we provide a title which is menu icon, and we can even control the color as well of the icon by providing an hexadecimal code right here, which is 63, and then we can even control the size parameter is also available. So size, so we can say 48 in numeric value. So if you just refresh here the browser and just see, you will see this menu icon appearing in orange color and having a size of 48. In the similar way, we will use this Android icon as well. So I will simply copy this and paste it, and here I will replace Android. So you will now see, let me change the color here to different color. So now it's a green color icon, and in similar way we have more icons available, which is the full screen and the Android account icon as well. So full screen icon, account icon. So again we'll be exporting this. The configuration part is very simple. We import the icon, then we export this, and then we can directly use it in the HTML. So you can control the color and the size. You can pick any color of your choice by this property fill color and the size as well. So if you refresh, you will see the icon will appear. So This is actually the package, guys, which allows you to use material design icons inside your Vue 3 app. And this is actually the package. I've shown you step-by-step instruction. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.